Oh, hello. I'm Mr. Paisley. I'm head of geography at Ralph Allen School. I've got the whole world in my hands. Now, let's have a look at the GCSE geography that we study here at Ralph Allen. It's AQA Geography 1 to 9. Or is it 9 to 1? Doesn't matter. Let's have a look. We start off in year 10 by looking at hazards. Some of the hazards we study are tectonic in origin. Look at that beautiful volcano. How is it formed? When will it erupt? Oh, the excitement. We also do weather hazards in the UK and tropical storms. But are all hazards natural? Question mark. Well, no. Some hazards are caused by people. We also look at climate change. Quiet, Donald. We then move on to look at landscapes in the UK. We go to look at the coasts, coastal processes, landforms and management. We also include fieldwork. Thumbs up. Also in the UK, we look at rivers. This is our case study, the River Tees. We look at the processes taking place in rivers and how they can be managed to reduce flooding. We also look at ecosystems. We start off by looking at the distribution of global ecosystems, as shown on the map. We then move on to look at tropical rainforests. Why are they special? What is the climate like? How's the vegetation adapted to survive? And how can we manage them more effectively? We then also look at cold environments. This is the island archipelago of Svalbard. Watch out for the polar bears. All of these are physical geography. We also do human geography. The first topic is the development gap. We'll look at the disparity between the rich world and the poor world. How is it that some countries are so rich whilst others are so poor? As part of this, we do a case study on Nigeria. Nigeria is an emerging economy. That means a country which is rapidly developing. We also study urbanisation, how and why cities are growing around the world. Well, our case study example of this is the beautiful city of Rio de Janeiro, where there is a huge amount of inequality. We then move on to look at a British case study, and that's Bristol, everyone. However, we also want to know how cities can be made more sustainable. So we go to Freiburg to see how they do it there. We also study the UK economy and look at changing. Yes, we look at the different types of jobs that people do and how it's changed over time. We also study natural resources. We start off by looking at how food, water, and energy are used in the UK before focusing on water as a natural resource and how it is used around the world. All of this geography, both physical and human, is assessed over 3 papers. All the physical geography is in paper 1, worth 88 marks. Paper 2 is human geography, also worth 88 marks. Paper 3, it's about field work and an issues evaluation. It's worth 76 marks. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. Well, even Sir David, legend, even Sir David loves Ralph Allen School. And he says, if you'd like to know more about geography, go to www.ralphiejoggers.simplesite.com.